So how much your saving, Dave? How much that?
What?
How much is all?
I don't know.
How much the bills?
9,000. I don't know.
Okay, ang ingay mo, David. So, here's the question of the viewers. Where did you get that money? You don't have job.
Not that. Nino, Nina, Daddy, that's it.
Why did your dad give you money? Baon? So you're not buying something in school?
No? I buy something. So,
So what do you do with your money? You give it to your mom or dad?
I did it to Zombie.
You give it to Jollibee? Why?
Why?
You mean you have to eat Jollibee, all of that?
Invest, Hinato.
Invest? Spell invest.
INVEST.
What's that it mean? I don't understand the word invest.
It's like you buy something on stock, and then you wait an amount of days, and then you to let it. Just invest.
So you buy and sell?
Yeah.
You buy stocks and then you sell?
Yeah.
When will you sell it?
Huh?
When will you sell? In the future?
What's that?
Alright guys, so my son got money from his baon every day. So he did not buy anything in school. He just saved it. And also, he said that he gets his Christmas gift from his Ninang and Ninong. So thank you so much Ninang and Ninong. And yeah, he said that he will buy a lot of Jollibee. Not Jollibee's chicken, but a share of stocks in Jollibee. He mentioned he invests it. It's just like buying a share of stock and he will sell it when it's have a higher value. Let's say after 20 years, the Jollibee stock shares will be 1,000. But right now it's just 200 plus, I guess. So yeah, Luna is still here. So you're counting how much now?